This is my first attempt at growing Venus flytraps from the flower stalks. All of the successes came from putting the very top of the flower stalk with the flower directly into the soil upright. None of the ones that I laid down flat onto the soil managed to produce any Venus flytraps. Please like, comment and subscribe, and check back later to see how they're doing. Let me know if you've had any success when you've laid the cut flower stalks directly horizontally onto the soil. This one was a failure. I laid most of the flower stalks straight onto the soil with a few flower heads, but I only had one which actually produced some Venus flytraps.